We're doing it on the Nexus. It's me versus unknown duelist. I'm ready. Let's
I'm a
duel.
newbie.
Yeah, unknown duelist is started dueling 2 days ago. Two days ago. Normal summon Mo. Activate effect, reveal. Special summon tuner token. Synchro 8. For Yugioh. Chainlink 1, Yugioh. Chainlink 2, Mo. Mo's gonna draw. Yugioh's gonna add me long. Long banish or send to the grave. Discard Mo. Special long. Activate effect. Special summon tuner token. Go into Synchro 10. Baronnet de Fleur. Long's gonna burn you for 12. End my turn. Your move.
First, I play Goblin's Sacred Remedy, giving me 600 life points. And play a face down. And I summon. Actually, no. I have to. For Destiny in attack. Oops. It's supposed to be in defense. And place another face down. I end my turn.
FN4? That's opponent's graveyard. I think it's FN1. It's my graveyard. Okay. Alright. Okay, come on. Dodo! Baronnet de Fleur. Pop. Your back row. Your middle back row. Mirror Force, I knew it. I knew you had something. No. Summit. Special. Mo. Mo. Effect. Reveal. Blackout. Special summon tuner token in defense. I go for yeah, I'll go for Dragite. Synchro 8, Dragite. If Mo was used for Synchro, I'm gonna draw a card. I could still normal summon? I could still normal summon. Battle. Yugioh, attack. Destiny Hero Defender. Dragite, direct attack. Put her on the floor. Finish him!
GG.
Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I'm not even gonna side. So how do you like Yugioh?
It's good.
It's good. Normal summon. Quick effect. Tribute. I will special summon Mo. From the deck and defense, activate effect. Reveal. Special summon tuner token. Then Synchro 8 for SWORDSOUL Grandmaster Yugioh. Activate Yugioh, Chainlink 1, Chainlink 2, Mo. Mo's gonna draw me a card, and Yugioh is going to get me Long Yuan, add to hand. Emergence. Gonna get me Taya. Damn it. I think I screwed up there. God damn it. I think I did screw up. How the f... Long discard, special, synchro 10, long burn for 12, set, activate Fusion Destiny, Destiny Hero, destroy Phoenix Enforcer, sending Celestial and Dasher from deck, and I end my turn. Is there Ecclesia in there? Oh, I should have popped Ecclesia. I should have popped itself and grabbed Ecclesia.
First, if I can go. First I play it face down. I play another face down. Nice summon.
Oh, Vision Hero, Witch Raider. To tribute summon this card face up, you can tribute traps you control as well as monsters. Then this card is normal summon, you can destroy all spell traps your opponent controls. You can add special summon monsters during the turn you activate this card except hero monsters. Yugioh, banish, emergence, target and banish, or target and negate your Witch Rider. Not activating emergence. Effect, if it gets banished, I get to increase or decrease a level by 1. What did you have there? Oh, what the heck was that? Whoops. Oh, god damn it. Wrong button. Oh, it's FN. I pressed FN4. What did you have there? Dust Tornado and Magistry Alchemist. Okay. You're gonna battle? You know you have 23 attack. My monsters have higher attack than you. End phase I will activate and no. Oh. Mirror Force. Enforcer. It's coming back. Ecclesia. It's coming back. No. Draw phase. No. Standby phase. Enforcer. It's coming back.
Right back.
Summon. Tie is in there? Okay, I do have tie. Effect. Tie. Tie, banish, tie. Splash summon the little Fortuner token. No. Go into.
I'm back.
Wait. Crimson Blader? Do I go for a Crimson Blader? No, I'm gonna go for more negates. Dragite. Tie. Banish or send to the grave. Blackout. Yugioh. Banish the blackout. Target and negate. SWORDSOUL blackout. Yes. Splash summon token. And then SWORDSOUL blackout. Pop the token. And then pop 2 cards you control. Oh, what is that? Emergency provision. Send any number of spell trap you control to the graveyard. Gain 1000 life points for each card sent to the graveyard this way. Okay. I'm gonna battle. Any last words, Duelist?
No.
No.
Let's do another duel. I want to change my deck.
But on the floor. Finish him. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Thank you, Unknown Duelist, for the duel.
You're welcome.
And hope you get better at dueling. Comment, share, like if you sub it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.